Alright, so you probably seen the first half of this video. We have the motor in the house, and now that we got the motor in the house, we only have a few things left to take off. We really need to get this crank pulley off. After getting the crank pulley off, we can remove the timing cover. And then after that, we can get to all the other good stuff. They went to go do a few of these, as you can tell, but I just think he just got to a point where he was tired of it. So we're going to start removing some more of it and see what we can get done today. Oh, sorry, y'all didn't get to see my face. There you go. It don't really matter too much. It's late anyway, so let's get this going. Let's see what this thing does. See where I'll put my good battery at. Right behind me. You don't see. She sounded a little rowdy. She don't seem like she wanna go. This might be a little bit of a fight. I don't advise y'all do this. I don't know, you guys want to. Oh, that is on there. That is how you remove it, you guys. That easy. Once you got that off, make sure you got gloves, because it's going to be hot in a bitch, so don't touch that right off rip. That's why I got the carpet down there. You probably can't see, but I came prepared with my tripod. So yeah, we kept that carpet around so that way the boat will sit right on there and won't burn nothing. Because I like my floor even though I do crazy stuff. Don't worry, we're replacing this harmonic balancer because these like to break. They split in half a lot of times. So it's common. What we're going to do, we're going to give her a couple love taps and get her off there. Looking for my hammer right quick. Yeah, you'll learn with a lot of this shit, it's all get replaced. But it's supposed to just slide right off. But it's also probably never came off, so I don't expect it to. It may. Alright, now I don't advise doing this, but it works. Wedge a little flathead in here and keep on wobbling left to right. We'll go slow. Go really slow. You don't want to hurt the tank. Mind you, I got the bottom propped up with some cardboard. Prop the bottom up with some cardboard before you do this, so you're not prying up against this if you don't have an engine stand. Well, I have an engine stand, but my engine stand is actually on my LS. So when you're trying to work on two motors at once, you learn how to get real good at using what you got. We're almost off there. I forgot how hot that was. Yeah, so if you're heating this up, it's going to get real hot. She should be off. She's still so hot. I can't really do that shit barehanded. Oh, fucking Michigan. I know that's all this is. God damn. This one ain't fully separate yet, but if you look close in between here, let me see if I can get you guys to turn this way a little more. We'll zoom in some and see. Let's see if we can get the light more on it. Let's see. And if you look real close, right there. Hold on. Right there in between them two. When I take this, you'll see what'll happen is they like to, I don't know if you can see it, they like to separate. I seen it flex when I was on there, but they'll separate from them too. Because this is just rubber in between them to like dampen it. So once you understand how this shit works, then you understand why they break the way they do. Sorry about the slight wait, Joel. Just getting set up. Okay, so we're gonna try and be quick about this. We just got a couple things to remove. Make sure we're going the right way. That's the tighten. Okay. Okay. Remember, we're keeping these bolts in here for a good reason. I don't want to lose the organization of the bolts because some are different lengths. And we did exactly what I wanted to do. They're all still in there. So, we'll set that to the side. Did a good job on that. These guides, he kind of just pulled it apart any kind of way, so he just kind of didn't really care. So, we'll slide that off. Let's get a new timing chain, so none of this shit matters. Let's get new guides. We're going to end up doing a lot of tests on this block, because it's going to be our first ever M54 we get to build, so we're going to have fun with this. We're going to definitely have fun with this. Getting to understand a new platform would be really cool. The funny part is how a lot of this stuff... Oh, I broke that. That's not good. Well, if I could break that, it was going to break eventually. Oh, that's not good either. Okay. That's good. Okay. We got all that off. That was our whole goal of this, was just to get this cleaned up. I think this is for the AC bracket. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what this is for. Because the AC brackets is over here. I have it off to the side because you know how that goes. Alright, now that we got that all taken care of, front cover is off. You guys are going to get build by build breakdown on every time I touch this block and I go to do more and more to it. We already pulled that one rod out. Now that we got this front cover off, it's going to look a little bit nicer. Now we can start working on things underneath it to start getting the crank out. That's going to be next. That'll be next. That'll be a whole nother video for you guys, I think, because I don't want to bore you guys with too much content at once, because I've been kind of feeding y'all a lot. So we'll try and keep it shorter videos. Moving the front cover. We'll be moving on to the lower half of this block soon. Let's do that.